Hello YouTube family, what's this? Jane Jack's popping up on your feed? You weren't expecting this, were you? Hey, I've put a video up on my Instagram, but I know not all of you use Instagram, so this one is for you babies. Just to say, I would really like to get back into YouTube, but I'm not sewing at the moment, and I'm not going to be able to for the foreseeable because the Wongle Zone's been taken over by DIY activities. So my content would be probably a mixture of get ready with me talking about beauty and skincare, talking about current issues of the day, talking about progress with the house. So it would be a real mixed bag. Now, I don't know if that would lead to a mass exodus from my channel or whether or not you would enjoy just seeing me back again. I mean, I'd love to do sort of vlog style videos that take you with me places, but as you know, I don't bloody go anywhere. Although I went to the cinema today for the first time since, well, I haven't been to the cinema since I came to Blackpool, so it was amazing. We saw The Ballad of Wallace Island, which we've already seen on the telly, but I love Tim Key, so it was great. So yeah, just let me know in the comments if you've seen it and if you liked it. So what I would like to know is, what would you enjoy seeing from me in the future? And I will try and fulfill your every wish and dream. I love you lots, and I'm sorry I'm sat in the dark. It's because my bedroom's south facing and it's absolutely boiling outside. So love you lots. Bye.